What's up, everyone? Blake Sloan here with Sloan Realty Group. Just want to share huge news out there for our clients, friends, family about what's happening today, September 18th, regarding the Federal Reserve. It's the first time they're expected to drop rates. Right now, it's a 100% chance we'll see a rate drop for the first time since March 2020. Just for anyone doing the math there, that's 1,600 plus days since the last rate drop, 53 months. Since that, 53 months and 2 weeks almost since the last rate drop. And so it's huge news right now for consumers, for home buyers, for people in the stock market. We'll see some changes here. The good news is we're seeing rates go in the right direction. Regarding the effect for home buyers and home sellers, we're hopefully going to see that play out the rest of the year. We're going to see one or two things right now. Today, really quick, just looking at the calculations, right now you'll see the 59% chance there's a half point drop in regards to the Fed's overnight rate, and a 41% chance they'll do a quarter point drop. And so one of the two things are going to happen. We'll see potentially mortgage rates will go up in the short term and then go down in the long term if we see a quarter point drop. If we see a half point drop, we'll see rates probably stay where they are right now and maybe drop a little bit in the next few days. Why is that? That's because much of that has already been baked in. And what that means is the bond market, investors, a lot of people watch this same data that we do every single day, and they've already priced in the Federal Reserve rate drop based on what's been happening, based on what's being said. And so the huge news today is going to be what happens after the meeting and what Jerome Powell says going forward, what their strategy is going to be going forward regarding inflation, regarding rates. But many experts right now regarding real estate are saying that if we see just a 1% rate drop in terms of mortgage rates, you'll see up to 3.5 million home buyers get off the sidelines and back into the game because there's so much pent-up demand with buyers who want to buy and sellers who want to sell theirs, but they're locked in with a low rate and they're not able to move laterally or move up like they want to. And so that's great news for homeowners out there because now you can get your property on the market. You always want to tee it up when buyers are buying. It's going to be a very interesting fourth quarter based on what's happening because we're in a very, very interest rate driven marketplace regarding real estate right now. And so if you see rates go down, which everyone's predicting, we'll see that go down. The question is when or if they get into the fives. Once we see them into the fives, you can see a lot more movement, potential of 3.5 million more home buyers out there. And so what that means is know about what's going on. Reach out to your real estate expert like us. Obviously, if you're Myrtle Beach, if you're Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, we're your number one real estate expert, the number one real estate team in Myrtle Beach, number 58 in North America, because we're dialed into this stuff. If you want to know more, reach out, call our office, 843-808-SOLD. I'm going to film another video and update everyone what happens once the dust settles today, once we have that information out at 2 o'clock, and I want to watch and see what Jerome Powell says afterwards. But here's the overall macro analysis. It's great news for home buyers because guess what? We're finally seeing the shift after 53 months, 1,600 plus days that we saw rates continue to climb. And here's the cool part. We're already almost 2% lower than the high that we had in mortgage rates just in the past couple of years. And so right now looking at 6.11% this morning. We're very, very, very close to getting the fives. So subscribe to our channel. We'll keep you updated on anything and everything real estate related, and we'll talk to you soon.